market is a higher giving you, oh sorry, what was your question, Oliver?
So if I buy put options and I sell out of the money, do I make a loss?
If the put option is out of the money, so in put option is if the strike price is greater than the spot market, then it's called in the money. All right, out of the money means if the strike price is less than the spot market, it is out of money. When out of money means, it means it's better to break the deal rather than honor the deal. If you honor the deal, the buyer of the put option will be incurring loss. So buyer of the put option has the option to sell or not. If he sells, strike price is less than the market price. So he's not that stupid. He will cancel the deal because he has the option and he will sell to the market. So only loss is that he paid premium to the seller of the put. That's it. Oliver, you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Now factors that affect the put premium. Number one, the greater is the difference between strike price and exercise price, the greater is the put premium. All right. Higher the time period, because anything can happen during the time, put premium is higher. Higher the volatility. All right. There is no stability in the market price of dollar. If this is a put dollar, the market price can go up, can go down, can go up, can go down, and can go up, can go down, huge jump and low, because there is no certainty that whether price will go up and go down. So in this case, premium will be higher. So is there any common here, common thing between put premium and call premium? Call premium is S minus X is positively correlated while put is negatively correlated. Higher the difference, lower the put premium, but higher the difference, higher the call premium. Higher the time period for both put option and call option, higher the put and call premium. Higher the volatility or standard deviation or uncertainty, higher the both. So there is only one difference left. All are the same for both call and put option. Higher the volatility, higher the time period, both call and put premium will be higher. The difference is only the strike price minus X and strike price minus X. So this would be positively related in case of call, and this would be negatively correlated in case of put. Only one difference, that's it. All right. Now, how we can use put options to hedging purposes. So using put option to hedge. So let's just talk about the example here. Let me change the pencil color. So assume the Duluth Corporation has exported products to Canada. All right. And invoice the product in Canadian dollar. So it means Duluth will receive Canadian dollar. And Duluth is US company. So they has to convert Canadian dollar into dollar. So Duluth is concerned over the Canadian dollar it is receiving, that it will depreciate over time. So the exports normally occur between 15 to 60 days. So after 15 days or after 60 days, they are receiving this money. So they are worried that maybe the value of the Canadian dollar will go down and will receive less amount of their home currency. So they enter into a put option contract which entitled it to sell the Canadian dollar at a specified strike price. So they buy put of so they buy put of Canadian dollar that I will sell you Canadian dollar at strike price this after this time. All right. But when they buy the put option, they have to pay premium. Duluth have to pay premium. Duluth locks in minimum rate at which the exchange at which it can exchange Canadian dollar for US dollar over a specified time. If Canadian dollar appreciate over time, what happened if the Canadian dollar appreciate in after this time? If the strike, if the spot price is higher, so Duluth will let the option expire and sell in the market to get higher value. All right. So if the Canadian dollar appreciate over time, Duluth can let the option expire and sell the Canadian dollar it received at its prevailing spot rate in the market. If the Canadian dollar depreciate, then Duluth will exercise the option and will sell the Canadian dollar at a higher price than the market price to the seller of the put option. Guys, you understand? Tara, Meena, Oliver?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Didi, Rujie, Tiffany?
Probably.
Okay, PD, Tiffany, if you have a question, you can also send me in our WeChat group. I would be definitely answer over there. Okay. Please try to read the reading material along with the recorded lecture. Okay. And then if you have a question, please do write us in our WeChat group. I would be happy to answer. Now, so corporations in foreign currencies use currency put options in some cases to cover these positions. Some put options are deep out of money. What does it mean? What is put option? Right to sell. All right. What if the exercise price is very low than the spot price? All right. Spot price is very high and strike price is lower. So as a seller, I want to make profit. I want to sell high. So I will sell in the market. So spot market means that you are selling in the market, not your contract partner. Okay. Strike price, you will sell to your contract partner at this price, at price X. So if spot market price is higher, very higher, for example, this is 1.0 a dollar and right now spot market is 2.5 a dollar. All right. The seller will not buy the right to sell. All right. He will directly sell in the market for a dollar 2.5 rather than 1.5. But since he is a buyer of the put, he already paid the premium, that is his loss. So in this situation, when the difference is too huge, we call this deep out of money. All right. So if you find this kind of stuff, how you can make the profit. If spot market is 2.5 and exercise price is 1.5 and there is a put option, how you can make profit? Put option. Put premium is, for example, 0.02 a dollar. In this case, this is buyer of put, this is seller of put. Strike price is 1.5. Spot price is 2.5. So in this case, buyer of the put will exercise the put option? Never, because seller will say that you will buy from me at 1.5. So he can sell to the market, spot market at 2.5. He will never exercise the problem. This put option, he will never exercise the put option. He will sell at 2.5. So the only profit is to the seller of put. He will receive from the buyer this 0.02 a dollar. That's it. So that is the maximum profit. So if you are in deep out of money put option, how you can make profit? By selling put option. This market is deep out of money, and if you find a counterparty here who is ready to buy put option, so you only receive put premium. That's it. And you know that after some time it would be deep out of the money, so buyer will definitely will not exercise the option. So only thing is you will receive 0.02 on every dollar. That's what is written here. Some put options are deep out of money, meaning that the prevailing exchange rate is high above the exercise price. These options are cheaper as they are unlikely to exercise because their exercise price is low. And how you can make profit? The seller of put will receive premium, and that would be his profit because the buyer will never exercise the position. So other put options have an exercise price that is currently above the prevailing exchange rate and are therefore more likely to exercise. These are more expensive. Similarly, that's what we discussed. It has a negative impact on premium of put. If strike price is higher than the exercise price, or is likely to be higher than exercise price, it has a negative impact on put price. Not put price, put premium. Sorry. All right. Now again, we talked about we can use for hedging purposes, we can use it for speculation purposes. So all the derivatives can be used to hedge and to speculate. Even call option can be used for hedge and for speculate. We just talked about the hedging purposes and speculation purposes because the motive behind hedge and speculate is different. That motive behind hedge is to reduce the risk, and motive behind speculation is to earn profit. So individual may speculate with currency put options based on their expectations of the future movement of a particular currency. So speculators can attempt to profit from selling currency put option that I just discussed you this scenario. Speculator can attempt to profit from selling currency put option. The seller of such option is obligated